rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Alishba Amir and I am honored to present my research under the platform of Gandhara Strategic Studies. Today we begin a journey into the Gandhara civilization, a land where faith, wisdom and compassion shaped history. This research explores a bold idea. Could the teachings of Buddha reflect the spirit of prophethood described in Islam? When we study Buddha's life, we find values familiar to every believer: compassion for humanity, self-discipline, and the quest for enlightenment. These are not just Buddhist teachings, they echo the very soul of Islam. The Quran reminds us that Allah sent messengers to every nation. Some scholars believe Hazrat Zul-Kifl, mentioned in the Quran, shares a deep connection with Buddha, both by name Kifl and Kiplavastu, and by character. We also see powerful symbols. Maitreya, the promised future Buddha, brings mercy during the times of decay, just as our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was sent as Rahmatul Alameen, a mercy to all worlds. The Bodhi tree, the symbol of enlightenment in Buddhism, mirrors the Shajar-e-Rizwan of Islam, a tree of divine approval. Perhaps in different language and different lands, the message of divine guidance was always one. Today,